Hi everyone, thanks for taking the time to watch. We had another big win this week. We got an E-2 change of status approved for a cleaning company and we're super excited about it. Today I want to talk about one of the E-2 visa requirements that we get questions on all the time. And that's the requirement that the E-2 business be a bona fide enterprise. So we are going to discuss that a bit today. Again, my name is Dan Nast. I'm an immigration attorney with Orlando Visa Lawyer, which is an immigration law firm that provides services across the entire United States. And like I said, today we are going to discuss the E-2 visa, specifically the requirement that the E-2 business be a bona fide enterprise, because we get a lot of questions about this. So just a quick recap on the E-2 visas. An E-2 visa is a great way for someone to come to the United States and invest in their U.S. business. And there are many requirements to an E-2 visa. And we've done a series of videos on these. And there's one requirement that we get asked about quite a bit. People read up on it. They try to figure out the E-2 visa themselves, and they get to this bona fide enterprise requirement. And so one of the many E-2 visa requirements is that the E-2 business in the United States be one that is bona fide, a bona fide enterprise. What is this? That's a pretty loaded term, right? Bona fide enterprise. So just kind of a high level overview. A bona fide enterprise is one that is real. It's a real, active, and operating commercial enterprise that functions for generating a profit, right? So that can be, the company can produce goods or deliver services, but it has to be shown that that company is real, active, and operating as a commercial enterprise for a profit. So right off the bat, we get questions once in a while. Can a nonprofit entity qualify for an E-2 visa? The answer is no, because it has to be for profit, right? So how does someone show, what are some ways of showing that a company is real, active, and operating? What are some things that can be shown to do this? Well, as always, it really depends on the E-2 business and the circumstances surrounding that business. And if you are interested in pursuing an E-2 visa, you should consult with an immigration attorney beforehand. But some things that can be shown to prove a company is real, active, and operating in that bona fide commercial enterprise are business formation documents, articles of organization, if there's an operating agreement, are there share certificates, has the IRS issued the EIN to the company, licensing is very important. Make sure the business should, of course, as any business in the United States, should make sure that their licensing is in order, that they've obtained licensing to operate. Purchase orders, business things that show business dealings, purchase orders, contracts, advertising is a big one. And, people a lot of times they think, I don't really, want to put up a television ad or a radio ad or something in the newspaper because that's expensive. Social media is a great way to advertise nowadays. A lot of companies do it. It's accessible, and it's something that most companies can do. So those are some ways to show that a business is a bona fide enterprise for purposes of an E-2 visa. Again, like I said, there are many other requirements to an E-2 investor's visa, it depends on the circumstances for that particular business. So if you are thinking of applying for an E-2 visa or an E-2 change of status, be sure to consult with an immigration attorney first. We handle these all the time. Like I said, we just got one approved, another one approved to add to our list. Contact us via email, by phone, or by WhatsApp. The information is all on the screen. We would be happy to set up a consultation and walk you through the process. Again, my name is Dan Nast, immigration attorney with Orlando Visa Lawyer. Thanks for watching.